The United States flag is a world-recognized symbol of democracy, strength, pride, honor, and liberty. Across the world, the American flag has no equal with respect to recognition, prestige, or reverence. North American Manufacturing, located in Scranton, Pennsylvania, produces more than 8,000 full-size flags each year. With their help, we'll explore the making of America's flag. The process begins by cutting special domestically produced water and weather-resistant fabric designed to yield optimal flag wave patterns for the red and white stripes. This computer-driven Gerber cutter can handle 48 continuous layers of the fabric and cut it into strips 125 yards long. The red stripes will come to signify valor, while the white represent purity. If you look closely at a properly made flag, the bottom red stripe will be slightly wider than the others to maintain the flag's required dimensions. Flag stripes are sewn together to make continuous panels by simultaneously folding and stitching the edges of each strip. This strengthens the flag and creates smooth seams throughout. Note that the thread color matches the top of each adjoining strip. One small but very important detail is the sew margins along each stripe. Since the sewn stripe panels are still 125 yards long, they must be measured and cut into approximate final flag upper stripe field and lower stripe field dimensions. The star fields, which North American Manufacturing procures from a domestic embroidery partner, are also measured and cut. Horizontal, vertical, and diagonal margins between the stars are tightly controlled. The radii around the stars and the direction of each star point must be uniform and are held to very high standards. These North American manufacturing experts make it look easy, but attaching the upper and lower stripe fields and the star field to the stripe panels is no easy task. Straight sew lines and careful backstitching are important, especially when moving from the horizontal to vertical seams. Each employee is encouraged to quality check their work frequently throughout the flag making process. They're looking for uniform seams, consistent folds, and clean thread cuts. With the three main components of an American flag now united, the lower stripe field, upper stripe field, and star field, the flags must be separated and made ready for finishing. The flag header, while not technically a part of the flag, is also very important. While waving in the breeze, this header will bear most of the wind force and torque. Stronger thread is used here and stitching is reinforced at regular intervals throughout the run. Final edge sewing results in a clean look for Old Glory and also protects against frays and weathering. North American Manufacturing's final product is now ready for delivery, and these symbols of America will be vacuum sealed and shipped right from Scranton, Pennsylvania. Thank you for watching The Making of America's Flag, and for displaying your flag proudly wherever you may be.